Alright everybody, I'm back. Sorry for the noise driving. It's a little Mini Cooper, so it's probably loud. It's loud in here. The muffler and everything. But I'm on the way to the boat. It's Saturday, so I got some time today. I'm gonna do some stuff, get some stuff done. Last episode I did was the charge controller. I just mounted the charge controller and straightened up some stuff at the boat. Today it's going to be a high of 29. So once again, it's cold. It's tough. It's really tough trying to do all this boat work when it's so cold. So I can't wait to get down to Florida and be warm. It'll be so much easier to do all this work. I got a mole on my face removed Friday, so my face is a little sore. But I'm driving to the boat right now. It's a nice day as far as sun. It's nice and clear. I got my tools. Well, the tools that I think I'm going to need. I'll get to the boat. What I plan on doing is we have a motor bracket on the back of our boat, and it's used for our 9.9 Mercury kicker motor, and we use that for like a backup and for the dinghy. So I'm going to take that bracket off, and because the angle of the bracket's not right, so the motor don't go down into the water as far as it should. So when we're in big waves, the motor kind of comes out of the water a little bit. So I'm going to take that off, take that home, and redo the angle, fiberglass it up, and throw it back on there. And then in the spring, when we paint the boat, we're going to fiberglass that, either fiberglass that bracket into the boat, or we're just going to paint it the same color as the boat. Not yet determined on that. We'll see when we get there. But that's my project today. We'll see how it is temperature wise out there. See if it's real windy and go from there. Also, I wanted to give everybody kind of like an update. All of our subscribers, we're growing slow. I mean, we're not growing as fast as we'd like. We want to get our videos out to people, you know, to see, so they can see what we're doing. I mean, we're basically selling everything and going on a trip from Wisconsin, Lake Michigan, all the way down to Florida. And our goal is to sell from Florida to Bahamas. So we're basically selling everything to do this trip. I don't know if we plan on coming back to Wisconsin or not. Depends on how things go. We might just keep cruising, but we want to share our experience and how we're doing stuff to other people that are too scared to make that choice to quit their 9-to-5 job or whatever and just do it. It's like we feel that we work all day and come home and pretty much do much of nothing. It's like, and we live in Wisconsin, so it's like the day is like gone. It's like it's cold, too cold to do anything. So a lot of our lives there seems like it's just wasted. So we made this decision to do this trip and live, you know, live life. So we're trying to get as many videos as we can out now, but it's like I said, it's kind of hard because we're trying to save money and it's very cold. So we're trying to get as much as we can to do on the boat and get as many videos as we can out. but once we set sail in June is what we're targeting for, but at the latest it would be late July, and it's the end of February now, so we got like 3 months. And then once we hit that target point where we leave, we're basically gonna have a video every week. We'll probably have it out Thursday or maybe Friday, and then it'll document our whole trip from Sheboygan all the way down to Florida. And then what we plan on doing is once we get to Florida, Melissa's a bartender, so she's gonna work a little bit down there just to help build some money up. And then we'll go from there, and then we want to go to the Bahamas and cruise down through there. So big step for us, but I wanted to let our subscribers know that we are working on videos. We're going to be having them out every week, and we plan to have fun on this trip, and it's going to be a big thing. So we just want everybody to subscribe, like, and just join us on our journey. Alright, I just pulled in. I just wanted to give you guys a little shot of where the boat kind of sits. This is Lake Winnebago out there. This is the marina to where we kept the boat last year. Like I said in the previous video, it's probably like, I don't know, 30, 40 boats in this marina. It's kind of small. Our boat, Fosarian, is right out there. This is the one with the blue tarp on it. I'll drive up there quick. It's really sunny out here today though, which is nice. And I know it's kind of crazy to say nice when it's high at 29, but it's always nice when the sun's out. There's been a lot of snow too, so it's been really hard for us to get up to the boat. Like I said, we drive a little mini coupe, so it's like, it's kind of tough. You can kind of see how the snow is built up all through here. But I'll drive around and just kind of give you guys that. There's the boat lift. There's some of the boats. There's our boat right there, covered in blue, the blue tarp. I'm really surprised that that tarp has stayed on as much as it has. It's a little loose now, you can kind of see it, but it really gets windy out here. There's the marina, and there's Lake Winnebago. Like I said, it's a pretty big lake. Sturgeon spearing just got done. So just a couple days ago, there was a ton of shanties out there. Just a ton of them everywhere. That's all you could see. And now it's done, so everybody's pulled them off. You'll see people ice fishing out there. But all right, let's see if I can't get over here without getting stuck. Some more boats. Yeah, it's kind of iffy through here. Like I said, when we're driving a little car like this, but you can hear it scraping. Hear that? Holy moly! I'm gonna pull as far as I can up though. Let's see here. Let me roll my window up. Turn this thing off. I mean, the thing sits pretty low. I mean, you can see how low it kind of sits. It's such a small car. It's a really cool car, but it's crazy where she is. How she sits. This is the bracket I'm gonna be taking off right here. I made this wood wedge, but if you can kind of, when you kind of see it, it's tipped back too far, and this is all the way down, and it's like it's at an angle yet, so I need to bring it to where it's straight. So I got a long shaft motor. It goes down pretty far, but then I might drop this down a little bit too, so it's just in the water a little better. This is all the snow. It's like we got to go through all this. There's a ladder. All right, here's the locker where I gotta kind of climb in there. It's not a very big area. Keep in mind I'm 6'2", about 250 pounds. I'm not a little guy. All right, I'm down in here. These are the bolts. The 4 bolts I gotta take off to get that bracket out of there. So I'm gonna get what I need and get going on it. Well, of course, I brought my metric, and that's not what it is. So seems to be that's the way it always goes, right? But I did bring my other tools, so hopefully we can get this done. All right, I got, so far as you can see, I got 3 of them undone, and I'm on this last one here. So once I get that done, I should have them all out. It should pop off. All right, as you can see, that's where it was right there. I did get it off, so that's good. I'll take it home and I'll do all the fiberglass work and stuff like that.